do you two want? And you should try to enjoy the sun sitting here. Well, we got a surprise. Well, before that, I'd like to introduce the 2 new members that want to join us. Oh, are they tigers? No. Bears. This is Blue. And that's Ted. Oh, wait a minute. Who's the hungry bears running around? No. Get out here. Come on, we even captured somebody important that you find interesting. Oh, this better be good. Oh. Oh. Who the what? Can this be who I think it is? Tony the Super Plumber. We have me again. Oh, another meet again the 3rd time. You threw me in the cooler. Yeah, did you freeze? I don't see you freezing. You look like you were sitting out here for a reason. Well, basically, yes, that's true. Why is it I'm sitting there? I can't even move right now. I just got out of there. So you will be locked up, like me. Fellas, take them in that cooler and teach them a lesson, especially Tony. Oh, what? With pleasure. Hey, let go. You have too many hunting troops around here. You hear me? Get out there and shut up. Oh, hey, this isn't right. I'm not the only one to be locked in here, you know. Oh! Damn door. Oh. You're an idiot, you forgot the rest. Hey, what are you doing, mate? Hey! Take the rest of them with him. Or do something else with it. Actually, keep one of them to kill. You will do that then. You know what? I have made a mistake. Put them in there for now, but don't freeze them like Tony. He's the one with the lesson. Hey, oh, hey, mom and dad, mate. I take them. Hey, wait, oh. You know, this is easy to escape, you know. Man. Don't worry, we'll think about putting you fellas in that with him. Unless we'll deal with you all later. Oops, didn't shut it late. Yeah. Alright. Alright, get down to business. Alright. Now, you bears come forward and let's talk. Tony, fucking Plumber-Ringo. Daddy, we gotta do something. You're right. Basically, I don't know if you come, this might be dangerous. I'll take care of this. Finally, it's time for me to shine and fight for the first time. Well, not ever, but in this show. I'll teach those stinking kills a lesson. I'll teach those stinking furballs lessons. Yeah! Rarity, stay here. Yeah, alright. I'll stay over there in the chair. Yeah. Whatever happens, you will be in charge of this plumbing service. Because if I don't make it out alive, or if I can't get none of them alive, it's up to you, E.T. Look at me. Look at me. It's up to you. Be strong. If I come back, then never mind. Yes, sir. Alright, let's get over. Yeah! Hey! I thought you guys were eating. Nope. I'm part3. And I'm Mac. Oh. Hi, nice to meet you. I have made new friends. And they're cute and fat looking. Yee! Yee! Time to take these grapes on left. These grapes on left. Hello right there. Who the heck? Ah, you must be Tony the Tiger. We have finally made it last. And who are you, you ugly, pathetic alien freak with a shirt on? I'm E.T. I'm the boss of Tony, the superhero plumber. And I want him back. Now. Or else you have to make me no choice. Oh, really? Alright, fellas. Let him have it. Ah! Oh. Oh. That's the best you all got. I'll demonstrate this. Ha ha. Now, time you go. Whoa! Oh. Who wants more? Come and get some. Oh, great. I'm about to deal with him worse. Time for a slap. Hey, 2 of us left. Let's get him. Oh, no. Oh, hey, you even throw me. Oh, yeah? Well then, come hit my hand. Oh. I ain't fooling this. Oh, my hand. Oh. No. So I'm gonna go bye-bye, and you're about to fuck yourself. Wow, looks like I'm gonna save the boys now. Oops. Wow! Oh. Oh. Alright, Tony, come and get me. But I know there's 2 Tonys, but you are the fake Tony. There'll be only one Tony. That will be me. Oh yeah. Oh. Time to go flying. Whoa. Oh. Oh boy. Yeah, I did it! Yeah! Look guys, they're free! Where's Tony? He's in there! Oh! Ah! Tony! He's not moving! Guys, get him on the deck! Quick! Let's go, Mike. Hey, Jill! Everybody alright? But not Tony. Let's get out of here. Hurry. Oh. Hurry. Put him on there. Right over here, mates. Tony, move! Hey, I'm unfrozen! Yeah! E.T. Who saved me? All did. You? Wow! I never seen you do this before. I missed all the action. I fought all of them. Those two bears, and those tigers, and even your enemy who I met, Tony, the tiger. That was him, alright. Oh, that's a large enemy, alright. Well then, fellas, we never got saved by our boss before. Yeah, unbelievable. So, what do we can do to like own you now? We own you something, E.T., for the save and all that. And especially to me. And especially Tony. Not especially one of us. Wow, mates. Let's go party now. Yay, celebrate. Who wants to jump on, mates? And lay back. Hey, it's Lily T. Made new friends. Hi. What? Hey, I thought you guys were eating. No. I'm Porky. I'm back. Wow, got to come join the party. Fellas, don't I really got this. Come on, everybody jump on. Everyone, let's go. Hey, scoop over. I'll stay over here. Hey, you guys want to jump on? Yee! Yay! Haha, this is gonna be fun! Daddy, you're coming? I don't think I can fit on there. Oink, oink. Alright, everybody, get out of here! Haha! Hold on! Whee! Oh no, everybody's gonna fall. Hooray! Oh, you all look awesome. Yay! Woo! Let's ship off, mates. Yeah! Well, folks, looks like that ends our day today. See you next time on everyone. Tony, the superhero plumber! Looks like I have saved the day. And if you need help, if you ever get eaten by tigers and bears, say, call me E.T. or signal me with my light finger. Anyway, get out of here. Oh, Daddy, this sounds like you. I do not slurp. Well, enjoy yourselves, guys. I'm gonna sit back. It's got to be boss. Oh, yeah.